forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
And in today's Hot Wheels series, we have got a tank. Holy crap, it's a tank. Guys, it's your DCS right here in another video. So this time in the Hot Wheels series, I've got a tank, as I mentioned earlier. But before we get on with this tank, I just wanted to say to all the new people watching this video, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon for more of my video updates every weekend. So now going on for the Hot Wheels series, it got 2 out of 10 in HW Race Day. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels Flames, but that's not the thing, cause the car is a tank. Okay, that doesn't make any sense, but still, this car is legit so boxy. It's the Volvo 850 Estate, guys. So damn boxy. Its body style resembles to a tank, and there's a lot of memes on that on Google. It's really cool, guys. Check it out. And also, this car is really famous for its race. It actually took 3rd place in the BTCC. That's the British Touring Car Championship, which proved that the wagons are kind of awesome, you know? Well, yeah, and also this car was the world's first car to have the side airbags. I don't know, I don't care about that. And there are 3 variants of it, the all-wheel drive one, the XC, and the R version. The R version is, of course, the performance version. But the sad part about this car is it's a front wheel drive. Oh, what a disappointment. Alright, just to divert from that, I'll just discuss about the previous video which I uploaded. It was the 1992 BMW M3, guys. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. People really like the intro. They've even commented on that. So thank you all for commenting. Well, alright, today I have no quiz, guys. So it's time to just talk about this tank. Let's unbox it first. Now, going for the looks and details of the Volvo 850 Estate, guys. So, as I had said earlier, that this car had 3 variants. That's the AWD, that's the all-wheel drive, and the XC, and the R variant, which is, of course, the performance version of this Volvo 850. So, yeah, only the XC and the R variant has the front wheel drive. They don't even come in rear wheel drives, guys. That's a pretty disappointing thing. You only get the all-wheel drive, which is pretty rare, and the front wheel drives, which is kind of boring. So yeah, that was the disappointing part. And also this car, now when I'm looking at it, it has a lot of boxes. It's more boxier than I thought everywhere. So yeah, it misses the headlamp detailing as usual, and the tail lamp detailings too, but at least it has a side view mirror. And also the attention to detail for the spare tire at the rear, that's kind of nice. Well, the interior stands out more than the car's paint. I don't know whether to appreciate that, or even the wheels too. They stand out more than the car's paint. It at least has a good sunroof. I really like the tints on the car. They are also pretty nice. And at the rear, you haven't got much. There's no exhaust detailing too. Yeah, that's pretty much it on this 850, so why don't we just go for the information. Let's see what's it got under the hood. Let's know something about this cool Volvo 850 Estate, guys. It is the information of the 850 Estate right here. So I just want to start off with the engine at first. So in the base, you have the 2-liter inline 5-cylinder, which is a dual overhead cam engine, which has pretty cool power. And if you go for the top, you can have the 2.5-liter turbo, which also has a lot of power. Well, going for the horsepower, guys, in the inline 5-cylinder 2-liter engine, you get 125 brake horsepower, which is not so much. Whereas if you go for the 2.5-liter turbo inline 5-cylinder, you you get 190 brake horsepower. Well, time about the body style, guys. The body style is a 5-door estate car, more like a wagon. And time about its transmission, yeah, you have 2 options. That's the 5-speed manual, or if you're lazy to shift, you can go for the 4-speed automatic. And time about its production run, guys, it actually ran only for 3 years. It began in 1993 and it ended up in 1996. That is pretty disappointing, mostly because of its looks. It didn't sell so well. Well, time about the 0 to 60 time, guys. In the 2.5-liter engine, you can do it in 8 seconds. That's not bad. But if you go for the 2-liter engine, it takes a pretty long time. I mean, it's like 11.9 seconds. That is pretty long. And going for the top speed, it's same with that. In the 2-liter engine, you can do 121 miles per hour, whereas if you go for the 2.5-liter engine, you can do 139 miles per hour, which is a pretty average difference right there. And going for the weight, guys, the current weight of this car is 1,970 kilograms. And time about its length, the length of this car is 4,710 millimeters. Going for the width of this car is 1,759 millimeters. Well, going for the last part, guys, that's the price. As this car was mostly sold in the UK, I'm just gonna tell it in pounds. So the present money, it goes for like 1,200 pounds to about 12,000 pounds. That is in the present money. So there you have it, guys. That is the end of the information. So it's time for the ratings now. Seeing all its looks and its performance, of course, I give it an 8.5 out of 10, guys. For this tank, it gets an 8.5. It deserves it. So comment your ratings down below. I'll check it out. I'm interested to check that. So yeah, it is the end of the video, guys. So I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for my next week's video. Bye bye now. Enjoy your weekend.